Hi there, this is John Wilkinson again from History Made Easier, and this presentation on the League of Nations and Paper 2 is going to focus on the question that asks what is the message in a cartoon. Now, the overarching focus for this paper, which you should read, was the League of Nations seen in a positive way from the start? Don't just glance at the heading, read it and take it in. The same with the background information. Here it is for this paper. There's not a lot of help for this question, but there is some. Look at what I've highlighted. The dreadful experience of the First World War is very important context. People have lived through the worst war in history. They don't want another one. And for some, and it's reasonable to presume and say in your answer, for some in Europe, hopes were higher. With that in mind, look at the signifiers in the source. A drooling dog with large teeth and a spiked collar, a tag declaring it a dog of war, and the League of Nations written on its muzzle. They are pretty clear, and the message is pretty clear too. This is a positive message. The cartoonist is confident. The League is ready and able to prevent war. It is strong. Take its muzzle off and it has teeth. It's going to be effective. It's going to be a success. As for a sub-message, we are just coming out of World War I. Europe is unsettled, and so a strong League is needed. The League will not be aggressive. It is muzzled, but if needed, it has the power to act. Now, these questions always carry 7 or 8 marks. I've got the big message and a sub-message, and both are explained. Always have a sub-message in your answer, and always explain your responses. And there will be enough signifiers in your source to get all those marks. So there you are, short and sweet, the message question. Paper 2 is good for you. It is a winner. Thank you so much for listening, and the very best of luck with your studies. Don't forget, I may have a tutorial slot available if you think you would benefit from that. I aim to strengthen your knowledge, but also to build your skills in my tutorials. Get in touch with me at historymadeeasier@gmail.com, or better still, get your parents to, and we'll see if we can sort something out. But for now, cheers.